super insane, guys. I'm not really trying to pay full price. You know how I am, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this right now.
Hey, so if you play the game Rise of Castles, I will show you how to get the modded Rise of Castles. So this will make you rich. So as you can see, we can add unlimited diamonds. So just turned it on, so let's see if our diamonds go up. So you can see right here the page, no new diamonds, but maybe it will come onto the account in a moment, and then we'll be millionaires. So let's see if we found an increase or not. Oh my gosh, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. It's super cool. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to get a Rise of Castles hack like this. So literally just go onto your browser, and when you're in the browser, what I want you to do is just type tweakmod.com. Okay, so tweakmod.com. So in this site, which I cannot spell, is a number of modded games and apps. And the one we're doing today is obviously Rise of Castles. So press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then you should have the modded Rise of Castles game. So let's wait for it to load, and then we're going to be done. We're going to be crewing up. We're going to be the richest Rise of Castles player. Alright, so now it is going to take us to that verification page where we just need to download 2 apps. So as you can see, it says missing files. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps. You don't have to do the same ones as me, and you're probably not going to see the same ones. But for instance, Underdog Fantasy, it says download and run for 30 seconds. So that's pretty easy. And then we got like Travel Town, it's a game. So I'll see you later, bro.